If you are new in skincare and you don't know where to start, you don't know the right products to use, you don't know what to do, you are confused, then this video is for you. Hi my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite girl Amarachi Favy. This video is going to be very long or rather lengthy, so we're not going to do too much talk. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please. Very important. To subscribe to this channel is free, so please support me by subscribing to the channel, okay? So the first thing you're going to need as a beginner in skincare, or as a beginner that just started skincare, or even as someone that wants to start skincare but she's confused on what to do, on the right products to purchase, or how to go about it, then this video is for you. The first thing you should know is that you're going to be needing your cleansers, okay? The first thing is cleansers. And for cleansers, I have 3 in this category, just in case you're on a budget, you will actually find something that would be tailored to your pocket, okay? Because all hands are not equal. So cleansers, or rather cleansing, would help to remove dirt, oil on your skin and give you a fresh looking skin. You cannot be doing skincare on a dirty skin. This is the reason why you need cleansers. You need to do your skincare on a neat skin, or rather a neat surface. Do you understand? So for cleansers, I'm going to be recommending 3 cleansers from Face Fact, Simple, and Dettol, okay? So for Face Fact has a lot of cleansers. It has the hydrating, foaming, and also the salicylic acid. But as a beginner, I would recommend that you go for the foaming cleanser if you have an oily skin, and if you have a normal skin, you go for the hydrating cleanser. Leave the salicylic cleanser alone because that's not an everyday use, okay? It is not tailored for we that are just starting skincare that is also on a budget. Okay, so for the simple cleanser will actually do the basic. We have the simple soothing cleanser, we have the simple hydrating cleanser. We have a lot of varieties when it comes to simple cleansers. I would just say you get the one that is best for your skin type, okay, and use it. Simple cleansers are also affordable, even more affordable than the Face Fact cleansers. Then when it comes to the most affordable of them all, when it comes to these cleansers, is the Dettol skincare bar soap, which is what I personally use. Dettol skincare bar soap would help to get rid of any bacteria on the surface of your skin, any dirt, any oil on your skin, and give you a fresh looking skin. In fact, this is the work or the job of cleansers. So once you are done cleansing, okay, using a good cleanser from these 3 brands that I recommended, any of them that you can get, then the next thing you're going to be needing is toners. Although toners are not compulsory, it's actually optional. But if you are looking forward to that more hydration, more moisture on your skin, and also you're looking forward to treat a particular skin concern, you might actually need toners to back up your serums, okay? So for toners, I'll be recommending the one from Simple. I personally use Simple Soothing Toner. It does not do anything on your skin rather than moisturize your skin and add more hydration onto your skin. So if you know that you have dark spots, this toner will naturally get rid of dark spots. It will only hydrate your skin and give you a plump, good looking skin that you are looking for, okay? And the next toner that I'm going to recommend will have to be Aquel Licorice 5.5 toner. And the particular toner is very, very good for people that are suffering from hyperpigmentation, dark spots, uneven skin tone. If you know that you have a lot of dark spot on your skin and you're looking for a toner that will actually help to target it and get rid of it, I will recommend Aquel toner because it contains licorice, and licorice is a root, okay, root extract that will actually help to get rid of your dark spots, hyperpigmentation, and uneven skin tone. Another toner that I would recommend will have to be the Face Fact toner. This one is just basic. It will still help to lock in hydration onto your skin and give you that plump looking hydrated skin that you are looking for. If you are doing skincare, you're supposed to have a hydrated looking skin, a plump skin, not a dehydrated skin, not a skin that is ashy and flaky. And toners will just help to even remove dirt, especially if you are using them with cotton pads, okay? It will furthermore remove dirt, oil, and also help to give you that hydration and even target your skin concern. That is the work of toner. This is the reason why I said that it is not really compulsory. So if you're on a tight budget, you can skip toner. So after toners, the next thing you're going to be needing will have to be your serums. Serums deliver active ingredient that will dive into your skin, penetrate your skin, and get rid of that skin concern that you are having on the surface of your skin. Serums are non-negotiable. Serums are compulsory. They are not optional. serums are compulsory. It must be in your skincare routine, okay? So depending on your skin type and your skin concern is how you're also going to be getting your serums. I have a video where I talked about knowing your skin type in case you don't know your skin type. I also have a detailed video where I talked about serums in case you're looking for that particular serum that will treat a particular skin type or treat a particular skin concern that you are having. But for the purpose of this video, if you're looking forward to brighten your skin, have that brighter skin and you are not acne prone, I would say that you lean towards vitamin C infused serums like Pioneer vitamin C serum, Face Pack vitamin C serum, Dr. Rasha vitamin C serum. In fact, a lot of brands have good vitamin C serums that you can lean towards, depending on the brand that you actually trust, that will do a good job for you. And if you're looking to add more moisture onto your skin, you have a very dry looking skin, a flaky skin, a skin that is usually dry and does not appear nice, I would say that you go for a serum that contains hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is an ingredient that will actually help to hydrate your skin and get rid of that dull, dry, flaky skin that you have. And for hyaluronic acid, you can find it in brands like Pioneer, Face Fact, Dr. Rachel, in fact, a lot of brands, okay? Any serum that contains hyaluronic acid is actually tailored for dry looking skin. So if you have an acne prone skin and oily skin, the best serum that I would recommend for you would have to be the one that contains niacinamide, retinol, okay? Because retinol would actually help to brighten your skin and give you a brighter looking skin, because you know that once the acne goes, the scars will remain on the surface of our skin. And niacinamide will actually help in oil control, the way you produce oil, because you already know you have an oily skin. It actually helps to control the way your face produces oil and curb it, okay? Take it down, tone it down. Do you understand? And also, niacinamide actually helps to close your large visible pores on the surface of your skin. And for niacinamide, I would recommend the brand Dr. Rachel. I'm personally using Dr. Rachel White Skin Serum, okay? You can also find niacinamide for, I think, Good Molecules. You can find niacinamide from Face Fact. You can find niacinamide from, in fact, a lot of brands have niacinamide. The reason why I'm mentioning the ingredients is so that when you go to the market or the shopping mall to shop for your skincare products, you will not be looking for a particular brand, rather you'll be looking for a particular ingredient that is tailored for your skin. If you have a normal skin, you can use vitamin C, okay? You don't have too much wahala. If you have a combination skin, you can also use the products that an oily skin and acne prone skin would use, and it will be suitable for your skin type. Okay, remember that serums are not negotiable and serums are not optional when it comes to your skincare routine. So when it comes to your serums, 2 to 3 drops are enough, or even 1 drop, as long as you feel that dispensing nozzle very well, and drop it on your palm. You do like this, and then you make sure that you are pressing it onto your face or onto your skin, so your skin will absorb all the ingredients from this serum, okay? Yes, having a serum in your routine can actually take your skin from looking a 0 to a solid 10. So after serums, the next thing you're going to be needing in your basic skincare routine will have to be a moisturizer. Moisturizers are non-negotiable as well. Even if you have an oily skin, I've heard a lot of people that have oily skin say, I have an oily skin, so I'm not supposed to use moisturizer. My face already produces a lot of oil, so why do I need a moisturizer? You need a moisturizer in your routine, okay? So if you have an oily skin, I would say that you should go for moisturizer that are gel-like, moisturizer that are not heavy, that are not thick, so that you will not produce excess oil. Whenever you will use moisturizer that are thick as an oily skin person, you would notice that that day you're going to be scooping oil from your face, okay? So for you to avoid that and produce just a little oil or even no oil on your face, I would say you should go for gel like moisturizers like snail gel, aloe vera gel, tomato gel. All these ones are very, very good. You can even go for slime. I think there's a product called slime moisturizer. Is also lightweight and it will just absorb quickly onto your skin and make you not to produce excess oil. So if you have a normal skin, you can go for all those thick creamy moisturizers, and if you have a dry skin as well, you can also go for the thick moisturizers like the one from Face Fact, Simple, even the one from Cosrx, even the one from Slime, okay? You can also use Slime, or you can even choose to still use the gel-like moisturizers, okay? But just that the gel-like moisturizers are more tailored for the oily skin girlies or the acne prone skin girlies, and the thick moisturizers that are very, very creamy are more tailored for the normal skin and the dry skin. For combination skin and oily skin, you go for the gel like, so that you will not produce more oil. Okay, you will not be scooping oil from the surface of your skin. So after moisturizers, the next thing that you will definitely need in your routine would have to be a sunscreen. This one is also non-negotiable. It is compulsory, not optional. You must have a sunscreen in your routine. If not, all the things that you are doing will not work. Okay, looking as if you're making effort while you're not making effort. I don't know if you're understanding my point. It can make you to get darker if your skin is exposed to the harmful UV ray and you are not using good sunscreens. It will make your skin to get darker. So if you have an oily skin, okay, or acne prone skin or combination skin, I would recommend that you go for bio UV, you go for skin aqua, you go for Nivea. And if you have a sensitive skin, I will recommend that you go from 9 less, although that one is very expensive. And if you have a normal skin, any skin you have, you can use bio UV, you can use skin aqua, you can use Nivea. Any of these sunscreens that you can get contains the right amount of SPF that your skin requires for your skin to be protected from the harmful UV ray, and also it will give your skin that good coverage so that you will not have sunburn or any reaction from the sun. Okay, so when it comes to your application steps as a beginner, the first thing you have to know is that once you get into the shower, you cleanse your face twice, okay, using your cleansers that I've mentioned earlier. After that, you're going to go in with your toners. If you're using toners that are just going to hydrate your skin, like the face fact toner and the simple toner, I would advise that you just go ahead and apply the product on your skin without using a cotton pad. But if you're using a toner like Aquel, that you know that is targeted for that particular skin concern, I would say that you use a cotton pad to apply your toner. And then after your toner, the next thing you're going to do is to go in with your serums. 2 to 3 drops or even a drop, as long as that nozzle, that dispensing nozzle is filled, is good. Then you press it onto your skin, and after that, you have to be your moisturizer. Your moisturizer is very, very good because it will help to lock in moisture. It will help to lock in all the ingredients from the product that you have used. Okay, so for when you apply your moisturizers, I would say that you just go in with 2 to 3 drops as well, pea size. You don't need much, okay, on your skin, so that you're not wasting those products because they're expensive now. When you're done moisturizing your skin, okay, the right way, that's applying it onto your face. You can even watch videos where I talked about how to apply your skincare products. I've done a detailed video on those aspects, okay, so you can as well go and watch them so that you see the way I apply my skincare products without using too much and still achieving good results. Okay, you don't have to pour all your products on your skin before you achieve a good result. Then when it comes to your sunscreen, which you're only going to use in the morning, not at night, okay, all these other steps you're going to do them in the morning. But when it comes to your night skincare routine, you're going to skip your sunscreens. Okay, so when it comes to your sunscreens, you're going to be using the 3-finger method. Apply your sunscreens here and then generously apply it onto your body, or rather onto your face 20 minutes before you leave your house, okay, so that it will sink in. Do not force your sunscreens to enter into your skin. Okay, apply it 20 minutes before you leave your house, and the sunscreen will naturally sink in onto your skin and give you a protected looking skin. This is my budget friendly yet a well-tailored skincare routine for every skin type, and also for beginners. If you're just starting this skincare thing and you're confused, this video, I believe, must have given you the guidelines and also opened your eyes on what to get. You don't need too much for you to glow. You don't need too much for you to pop. You don't need to do too much, okay? You don't need to have a lot of skincare products in your skincare stash for you to, you know, get a glowy skin or get a radiant skin or get a skin that is like mine, okay? Just the first thing to do is for you to know your skin type and then get products that are tailored for your skin type, and you are good to go. And there you have it, my loves. These are my budget-friendly skincare for beginners. And if you are at a particular point of the video and you're subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do not forget to subscribe. It helps me to grow. Please help your girl and subscribe, okay? Subscribing to this channel is absolutely free. You're not going to pay for it. And also remember to turn on the notification bell so that I'll be the very first person to get notified once I upload a new video on this channel. Here we do amazing things. I talk about skincare. I give you affordable products. I tell you nutrition tips, okay, that would help you to glow from within and also give you girly glowy tips. On the days we're going to talk about the girly tips, you know, I give you girly tips as well that would help you to be that woman that you'd want to be. And remember to leave a comment in the comment section telling me what you've learned from this video. Okay, click on that share button, share my video to someone, okay, so that the person will actually watch and know that she or he does not need too much to have a glowy skin. And remember to give this video a like, okay, so that you help YouTube to push this content to the right audience that will actually watch my video. And until next time, my love, stay glowy and bye.